Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called KashKick, okay? Perhaps you saw this on social media, maybe one of your friends invited you to this website and you're wondering, can you earn more money and save more money with this rewards and loyalty platform, okay? Let's talk about how much money you can really make, how this is really work. Can you make side income? Can you save your hard-earned money, or is this a complete sham? Okay, let's take a look at it properly. At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month 100% from home, all you need to do is just click the link below in the description box and I'll send you that training directly to your email. Okay, let's take a look at KashKick. Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different websites like this. This is called a GPT website, a get paid to do something website, right? So you can do things like fill out surveys and get paid. You can download different types of offers. You can play games, and you can refer this link to your friends all over the world. And if they sign up, then you'll get a little bit of a bonus referral fee for that. Okay, not much, but you do get a little bit. Now, let's take a look at KashKick. There are a lot of GPT websites out there. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so, and some of them are not real at all. Some of them are just scams. So let's see if these guys are the real deal. The first thing that I want to say is KashKick is not available in every single country. So if you come to cashkick.com and it doesn't load on your screen, it means that it's not available in your country, okay? So they've kind of banned certain countries, unfortunately. Like if you're based in certain parts of Asia, you won't be able to access KashKick, unfortunately, right? So you just have to see whether it's available in your country or not. And you can sign up very easily with PayPal, Facebook, Google, or your email. They'll ask you for a few details, all right? And there are a few different ways that you can earn money, all right? So you can watch the video here if you want on how this actually works. And there are a few main ways that you can earn. The first way is through surveys. So this is very, very normal for a GPT website. You would come onto the site, fill out a bit of information about yourself, where you're based, your interests, your hobbies, that kind of stuff. And based on your demographic and the different types of equipment that you use online, your interests, they will be able to send you certain surveys. All right, now depending again on your background and your location will depend on how many surveys you get. Sometimes you get a lot of surveys, sometimes you only get one survey, maybe once a month or less than that. Okay, so it really depends. The only thing about filling out surveys is, unfortunately, you can't sit there and fill out 100 surveys a day. That's not how surveys work. You might get access to maybe one survey a day if you're lucky, maybe a couple of surveys a day, but usually not more than that, all right? Now, for every single survey that you fill out, it depends on because these guys are an aggregator site. So they work with different survey partners, and based on your information they will send you different surveys. All right, now when you fill out a survey, you will earn roughly between a few cents all the way up to 50 cents, maybe $1 per survey. That's it. Okay, the survey game, you're not going to make that much money, and it does take a little bit of time. Each survey you're going to have to fill out a pre-qualification questionnaire. Sometimes you don't qualify for that survey, so you just took 15 minutes of your time filling out that survey, but you can't access it. And sometimes you can, depending if you are the right demographic or not. Okay, some surveys will take 15 minutes, some will take half an hour, some will take a little bit longer. And again, the range is from a few cents to 50 cents to $1 per survey, roughly. Right? So that's one way that you can earn on these websites. Another way is to play games. Okay, so you can see this right here: Board Kings, Dice Dreams. Now, it says earn $120 and $125. Now, don't get excited about these numbers, because in a lot of cases you can't make that much money, all right? Because these are offers, which means that you have to download them and you have to achieve a certain milestone before they will give you some sort of rebate. Okay, that means like for Dice Dreams, you might have to reach level 50. All right, which means that you have to play Dice Dreams for 100 hours, for example, before you can even reach level 50 to get this kind of rebate back. All right, so don't get super excited about these numbers, because some of them are very, very difficult to reach, right? Others will require you to do things like, if you want to sign up for a bank account, you have to deposit money into that bank account before they rebate you $20 back. That sort of thing. That's what an offer is, right? So yes, you can make some money, but a lot of offers will require you to jump through a lot of hoops before you can actually make that money, and some of them will require you to spend money before they rebate you some money back. So really, you're not really making money because you're spending that money, okay? So you just have to be very careful about the different offers that you go through. Another one is watching videos and watching ads. Again, not big money. You can watch a video, 30-second video, and you'll make usually about 1 to 2 cents per video. Sometimes less, sometimes it's 1/10 of a cent. So you're gonna have to watch hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos before you can rack up those dollars. But this is real money, okay? Now the big question is how do you make your money? And how do you pull it out? All right, so they've got a $10 threshold. That means you have to make up to $10 before you can withdraw your money, mainly through PayPal. Okay, so pretty simple. And the good thing about KashKick is they're legit. All right, but the big question is how much money can you really make? All right, this is a new kid on the block, but it is a real legitimate GPT website. But how much money can you really earn through a GPT website like this? Again, I've reviewed hundreds of GPT websites. They're all pretty much the same. Okay, so you can check out websites like Swagbucks. These guys are, these are the OGs. They've been around for a long time. Another really good one is Prize Rebel. They're all very similar. Okay, similar setup, surveys, offers, games, videos, that kind of thing, cashback, right? And on average, if you spend maybe 3 hours a day on a GPT website like KashKick, you'll earn roughly about $2. Okay. Now you have to really hustle. That means you have to fill out quite a few surveys. You have to download offers. You have to watch videos and all that stuff. Maybe you can get to $1 to $2 a day if you spend 2-3 hours on a GPT website. So if you do the math on that, you're averaging about $50 to $100 a month if you're spending about 3 hours a day on the website. That's not that much money. Okay, now if you're in a country where $100 a month is life-changing, then I highly recommend that you check out a website like KashKick. Okay, but if you're in a country where $100 isn't really going to, change your life that much, because $100 a month isn't that much money if you really think about it. Think about the amount of hours you're spending. You're spending almost 100 hours a month on a website like this to make $100. That's basically $1 an hour. That's very, very little pay if you really think about it, right? So, if you have 3 hours a day extra, there are a lot of other better ways online that you can spend that time and make way more money. I mean, if you have 3 hours a day, you should be making hundreds of dollars a day, not $2 a day, if that makes sense, right? Now, that's not to say that this isn't legit. It's legit, and you can make real money. It's just that the business model, the revenue model of KashKick doesn't allow them to pay out that much because they're a free website. I mean, you are literally coming on their website, filling out surveys, playing games, downloading offers, and they're paying you real money. Now, it's not that much money. It's literally, pennies on the dollar, 10 cents, 50 cents, 30 cents, 1 cent, 1/10 of a cent here and there. But it is real money and it's free, right? So this is not to take anything away from KashKick, because you can really make real money from here. But is it really worth your time? Spending 3 hours a day on a website and making $2. I think that there are a lot of other better ways, but is it legit? Absolutely. So you can come to KashKick and check them out if you would like. All right. Now, if you're on this video right now and maybe you're looking for a way to make money online, perhaps you didn't research GPT websites specifically, but you saw it on social media. It said you can earn money, you can save money, and maybe you're looking for a way to make money online. Look, there are lots of different ways to make money online. I've been around for over a decade marketing online, and there are tons of different websites, business models, systems that you can check out online. And some of them are great, but some of them don't pay out very well, like GPT websites, right? So if you would like to learn my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, 100% from home minimum, okay, and you can do this from anywhere in the world, then I'd love to send you that training for free if you would like. All you need to do is just click the link below in the description box. I will send you that training directly to your email. Please remember to check your spam folder, because sometimes email these days ends up in spam. All right, and I hope you enjoyed the training. I hope you enjoyed this review of KashKick, and I will see you in another review. Take care.